Hello and welcome to a Photoshop tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to blend a photo in with an overall more complex image. Hopefully blending and fading the photo into the background is your goal if you're watching this tutorial. To do this we need to have a photo in place, so I've brought in a photo already, into this more complex banner-like design for a website. First thing you want to do is make sure you have your image where you want it so that the part you want to see is located appropriately. Next, what we're going to do is we need to add a mask to the appropriate layer. My photo is located on layer 2. In order to add a mask to that layer, I come down to these icons on the bottom of the layer palette and click this icon right here, which is the Add Layer Mask. Once I've selected that, I'll have a new box, which is my mask, and you'll notice it's white. A white mask will block nothing. A black mask blocks everything. And between white and black, we can use any shade of gray we want to get varying degrees of opacity in our mask so that we can have it either partially blocked or fully blocked or not blocked at all. In order to do what we want to do here, which is to get the blend, we're going to work from right to left with a gradient. So I'm going to go over to the gradient tool on my tool palette and make sure that it's selected. If you see Paint Bucket, you need to switch over to gradient. And then from the drop-down option of gradient colors, I'm going to choose the one that is from black to white. Once that gradient is selected, and I make sure that my mask of the two boxes in layer 2, I want to make sure the mask box is selected, then I can draw my gradient on this space. And if you play with it, you'll be able to see that there are things that you could do incorrectly that won't give you the effect you're looking for. Now, one of my issues is right now the mode for mine is on difference and I want to set it to normal. And I'm going to set it back to normal and try again, and when I do that, then I start to get that effect I want. If you don't draw it quite right, you'll end up still with this line where we can see the photo right in there. So what the trick is to make sure you start on the photo itself, click, hold down Shift to get that perfectly horizontal line, release, and now I have this faded image that's full on the left, fades into the red background as it moves across to the right. Now different images will work differently with different color backgrounds, and it's up to you to select a combination that works really well for whatever it is you're trying to work with. And that's how you blend a photo into the background of your image in Photoshop.